Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aryan. I am from Nagrota Bawa, District Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. My aim in my life is to become an officer in the Air Force by joining NDA. So I'm currently preparing for NDA 1 2023 from Centurion Defense Academy. So I have joined Centurion Defense Academy just because of the main test papers that they are taking, continuous mock test and the DPPs that are given to us. This all helps us a lot to just practice and do the things correctly at it is required too much in the written itself. So my main aim was, for joining Centurion was that it also helps in the SSB interview very much precisely, as they focus on our mental skills, that they provide us positive attitude, and they also help us to gain good physics. So that was the main experience I was getting, and telling you all about the test experience. It helps us to just gain experience from each and every chapter that we are learning. It also helps us to just यहाँ पर टेस्ट के मेन फ़ायदे ये होते हैं कि जैसे हम लोगों को कुछ चैप्टर कराए जाते हैं मैथ्स में या फिर साइंस, पॉलिटी, जीएस, किसी में भी, तो उसका एक फ़ायदा टेस्ट का ये है कि हम लोग उसको डेली प्रैक्टिस करके हर हफ्ते में एक ना एक बार टेस्ट देंगे, उसके डीपीपीज लगाएंगे, तो वो हमारे एक टाइप पे ट्रिपल टू डबल टाइम रिवीजन हो जाता है, जिससे हमारा काफ़ी बेनिफिट रहता है रिटर्न में। और साथ में हमारा जो इंग्लिश स्पोकन है वो हमारा एसएसबी इम्प्रूव करवा ही देता है, क्योंकि वो जीडी और हमारे सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करता है। हमारा मेन इंग्लिश स्पोकन में ये बेनिफिट रहता है कि इससे हमें कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, जिससे हम आगे जाके अपना स्टेज फेयर क्लीन कर सके। और इंग्लिश की क्लासेस में हमारा सारी वो कैब वगैरह भी क्लियर होती है ताकि हम फ्लुएंट हो सके इंग्लिश वगैरह में। सो ये था मेरा एक्सपीरियंस। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nidhi. I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and currently studying at Centurion Defense Academy for my NDA preparation. I come to know about the Centurion Defense Academy through a YouTube channel. I took the classes of Centurion Defense Academy from my home also, and I liked the teaching method of the teachers, and also the selection rate of the students is very high. 7 NDA girls were recommended in the last SSB. The top 10 3 ranks were in top ranks 5th, rank 2nd and rank 7th are secured by the Centurion Defense Academy girls. In the academy, we were provided the library facilities, regular classes, spoken classes and doubt sessions. All after every mock test, doubt sessions were conducted for each subject a day after the test. And my aim is to become an army officer in the Indian Armed Forces. Study material is also provided by the Centurion Defense Academy. I enjoyed studying at the Centurion Defense Academy.
Hello everyone, my name is Mithil Sudan. I am from Jammu and Kashmir district Poonch. So my aim in life is to join NDA to join armed forces through NDA. And when I am trying to know about the NDA exam, I came to know that yes, it can be done by ourselves, but if you have great assistance, then you have mass chances to do it. So I scrolled through YouTube, that which is the best institute to go for its preparation, and then with the help of YouTube I came to know that Centurion Defense Academy is the best institute for preparation of NDA exam. Then I searched through YouTube about them. Then I came to know many things, that they provide very good facilities, they have good library facilities, they provide good DCS classes. So first I think that maybe they not provide all of this, but when I joined Centurion Defense Academy in Dehradun, when I came here, actually they provided even more than this. Like the teachers are available all the time to clear your doubts, and the English spoken classes which they provide, which make you frequent in English. So these are the best features. Like they also provide good books to go through, through which you can check your ability, that how much you know about the concept. And the teachers are really good. They clear all our concept, and if we don't understand them in the class, then they assist us in DCS class. And there are so many other facilities which they provide. So I recommend you to join Centurion Defense Academy if you wanted to prepare well for your defense examination. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, my name is Suraj Singh and I am from Jammu and Kashmir district Udhampur. I have done my academics from Army Public School Udhampur, and I am a very bright student during my academics year. I have also participated in many Olympiads like Science Olympiad, Maths Olympiad. Talking about my hobbies, I like to listen music, and talking about my extracurricular activities, I have participated in football till district level. Right now I am studying in Centurion Defence Academy. The reason that why I selected Centurion, there are several reasons. First reason is the highest selection rate, and second reason is their helping faculties. Third reason is the regular mock tests that are provided to us, and the analysis that are given to us after every week. I came to know about Centurion through YouTube, and there is my friend who got selected in NDA.
Hello everyone, my name is Happy Singh and I am coming from Jhansi, UP. I have completed my 12th standard from Delhi Public School in Jhansi, and currently I am studying in Centurion Defence Academy for my NDA preparation. I came through this academy through YouTube. By seeing the daily lectures of mathematics and science, I found that the faculty was very cooperative, and the lecture they were delivering, that they were very easy to understand. After that, what I feel that Centurion have the most important thing, that on every Saturday they take tests, so that we have the good quality of questions, we solve it, and we have a good grasp over every topic. And after that, what I can say that Centurion is a very ideal place to study, having the highest number of selection rates, and out of 19 seats, they are having almost 7 seats fixed for the NDA girls. And what I think that is all the things made Centurion Defence Academy a perfect place to study for our dream exams. Thank you everyone. Thank you.